Hi YouTube, this is a quick video on how to build a form with Basin using our form builder. In past videos we've demoed how to use the static form endpoint where it doesn't come with the HTML. It assumes you have HTML and CSS and JavaScript and you submit to our service. But in this video we'll go end to end with the full form builder. So sign into your Basin account. Select the form that is there for you and head over to the form builder tab, and we're going to start building our form. So in this case we're going to click the person's name. We're going to use the special field for email, and then we'll make it required as well. So under the data tab on the form builder component, actually validation, you can hit required, and then it'll add that little asterisk and make sure that they fill it out. We're also going to include a text area where they can include comments, and then there's more components here. Where did that go? Content. So you can actually include content. You could include a logo or an image. In this case, we won't do that. We can do that through WordPress instead. So we're going to hit save and head over to the design tab. I've already put in my dark blue background color that I want, and you can see that I have my form ready to go. It's going to validate the emails. Now all we have to do is head over to my WordPress site, and I want it in here. So it could be WordPress, Shopify, basically anywhere on the internet where you need a form. So we're going to go to the share tab and get our embed code. So I already know that auto resize doesn't work on this website since the CSS is full width, but you can just play with that a few times. And if I do maybe 500 or 600 by 500, will probably look good, and I want it centered. So if I copy this code and come over here, and then the way you add HTML in WordPress is /HTML, and then you just paste in your code that we've given here, hit update and preview on desktop, maybe in a new tab. There we go. So if we actually say we wanted this a little bit wider, you could go all the way back to Basin and increase the width, but I know that you can just do that in here. So we'll try maybe 600 instead. A little bit wider looks good. You can see that it forces the email validation like we set up. So we'll put in my name, anthony@usebasin.com, ASDF, and that's it. So we've submitted back to my form. I've got the submission in my inbox here. We could set up further integrations as needed. And if I can find my inbox, you'll see that I've received a submission. So an email would have gone out to the email account on file. And that's it. So this would work for Shopify or wherever you need to embed a form. And the upside is everything's baked into one service. So you don't need to set up your own email service or your own spam checking service or build your own custom integrations. This is an end-to-end form service. So from here you could send webhooks to HubSpot or some other service, or Integromat or Zapier, Google Sheets, whatever you need to do. It's all streamlined. You can easily edit who gets the emails, custom templates, basically anything to do with that submission now that it's come through. So I hope this was helpful, and if you need any help or anything like that, contact support@usebasin. Happy form building.